number 5, you're going to write the rule for the translation for the transformation. So it's going to go from the original point to the prime points. Right, so let's do the to the right first. So from G, it went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it went right 5. Okay. And then how much did it go up? And it goes up 1. So x comma y will arrow the new points x plus 5 because that's right 5, and up 1, y plus 1. Okay. Let's look at the next one. So the y looks like it went left 1, so left 1, and then it went up 1, 2, up 2. So the transformation would be x comma y, arrow. The left 1 means x minus 1, and the up 2 is y plus 2. Left and right affects the x, up and down affects the y. Let's take a look at C. So the x goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you went right 5. And then you went up 1, 2, up 2. So any point here, x comma y, arrow, x plus 5, that is the right 5, and y plus 2 is the up 2. And then we have letter D. Let's look at the J here. The J looks like it went 1, 2, so it went right 2. And then it went up 1, 2, 3, up 3. So any point x comma y, arrow, x is going to be added 2 for the right 2. Y plus 3 represents the up 3. This would be the transformation for the translation.